Hey, just a quick little video to show you how to do some real damage on Reddit when marketing an OnlyFans account. Hey, I'm Bjorn Olsen from YourRFEmpire.com and the Empire Forums, owner of the OnlyFans Empire, an OnlyFans management agency managing girls in the top 1% from all over the world completely remotely, hence different hotel rooms and pets and all my different videos. Check us out at YourRFEmpire.com or at YourRFEmpire on all major social media platforms. But for now, let's get back to the video. Now, if you're not familiar with Reddit, then Reddit is a fickle beast. It can kind of be like dating apps. It takes a little bit to get to know and to get to know how it all works because it has its own currency like karma. And then when you post to subreddits, they have their own criteria like an account can't be new, it can't be this, it can't be that. And then if an account gets banned, it tends to ban your whole IP address, which means you need anti-detect web browser like Dolphin Anti plus proxies. So it can be a fickle beast like dating apps. But with a fickle beast, I don't even know if that makes sense. It can do some real damage and it can be a viable marketing method for an OnlyFans account. So I'll just give you a quick little run through. So here's two schedulers. Because when marketing on Reddit, you want consistent content. You want to be posting multiple posts daily, at least multiple posts daily on a whole bunch of different subreddits. So you'll be using a post scheduler. So there's a couple here. One is Social Rise, one is Postpone App. We have used both. I'm pretty sure we've reverted back to Social Rise because Postpone was having a couple little issues, but that could be fixed now. Who knows? They're pretty much both as good as each other. Now, the cool part about this is once you have schedulers sorted out, yeah, you can post like a certain amount of posts for free and then you need a paid subscription, just like anything, really. But here's where you do the real damage. Boom. Yeah, we don't fuck around. Um, create spreadsheets for everything. I am the master of spreadsheets. And I tell you what, optimization is like my middle name. So what I formulated was a spreadsheet that contains all these different things. Prompts to create stories on ChatGPT and unfill the ChatGPT. Questions and prompts how to do that. Captions and prompts how to do that. I won't get through all of it because you bad boys just going to screenshot and try and copy my spreadsheet. Yeah, one other thing you'll find out on Reddit is if you reuse the same stories, they will catch on. There's a shitload of bots in pretty much most subreddits, and they know when content is being reposted. So you can try and copy this or copy the first line or the title or whatever, but it's probably not going to work. And if you're trying to do that, then you really are new to Reddit. But fear not, I will upload a version of this spreadsheet to the one and only. Oh, yeah. I say version because it cannot be exact. I cannot upload all the same captions that we're using for the reasons I just mentioned. So the best I could do is upload this spreadsheet with the template laid out as is, with prompts that you can run through ChatGPT. Yeah, so the idea is this is how you want to end up, right? Is once the agency's trucking along and the model's account is trucking along and you're chatting your little lungs out, then you're going to start to want to automate things because it gets a little tedious and you want to be able to scale bigger. So you want people to be able to come in and help take some of these tedious tasks off your hands so then you can move on and recruit other models and that's how you grow. So Reddit is no exception to that. So what you'll do, this is eventually, you'll get a scheduler, one of these, whatever. You'll set them up inside something like Dolphin Anti, inside an anti-detect web browser with its own proxy address. And then you'll hire a VA. And inside the anti-detect web browser, you'll have a Google Drive open. Google Drive will have this spreadsheet open, or you can use Airtable. I'm just super old-fashioned. I love my spreadsheets. So I know it's like its own coding language. So once you know a coding language or something, you really want to stick to it because you get really good at it. Anyway, I'm just saying, you can use Airtable if you want to be all hip and modern and cool. It is pretty fucking good, I'm not gonna lie. But I'm a spreadsheet man. Yeah, so then you'll have in one tab, you'll have the Google Drive folder with this spreadsheet inside. Then in another tab, inside the same anti-detect web browser profile, you will have the desired post scheduler. Then in another tab, you'll have the Reddit account, whichever Reddit account you want the VA to be working on inside that web browser, because as I said, you have to divide them up. And I told you it's a fickle beast. So then this is what you'll eventually have. You will have a VA that will be clocked in whatever time you want, whatever day, whatever, to do the Reddit scheduling for you. And then what they'll do, you'll have all the content ready, or you can even get the VA to prepare the content yourself. And they'll go, okay, So I'm going to copy and paste this content into whatever day, copy and paste this into whatever day, copy and paste this, blah, 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 blah. I'm being very vague here. And you also do the same with captions. You'll have a whole lot of captions either prepared or just some prompts ready for them. And literally all they're doing is copying and pasting, because you'll have like a timetable set out for the hours working and that. And then you'll have this content with like the times you want it posted. The times, well, not even really the times, because you normally just select day and then like best times of the day. That's a good thing about these schedulers. They automatically find the best times for you. So then eventually you'll have a VA that will literally just be copying and pasting content from this spreadsheet here into a post scheduler. And then you'll schedule them once a week. This is what we do. We schedule VAs to schedule all the content once a week. Normally Sunday. Sunday's normally scheduling day. Schedule all the OnlyFans account content, like the posts and stuff. Schedule all the Reddit content. Schedule all the social media content. Sundays are like fun day. And yeah, well, you can get VA to do it on whatever day you want. But this is where you want to end up. So you want to eventually have a scheduler for Reddit, one or both. Not one or both. I was just trying to sound cool then. Yeah, one or the other, doesn't really matter. And then you'll have a spreadsheet like this with a whole bunch of content prepared in bulk. And then the VA can literally just copy and paste to whatever day you want, depending on whatever timetable and stuff you set up. And then that's it. Told you I was going to keep the YouTube video vague, because look, if I go explaining everything that's on Empire, then no one's going to go to Empire. So, I want to spill the beans, but I don't want to, read out everything that's on Empire word for word. Otherwise, why are people going to go here? And with saying that, check out this. Yes, Model Lead giveaways are live, and it's just getting better and better. It's crazy. Soon we'll get have an affiliate referral section as well. Oh, it's getting massive. This is going to be the biggest thing in OFM. Mark my words. And that's it. So if you like the video, go smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you on Empire.
The ultimate hub for OnlyFans success.